What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be installing this Mega Racing strut bar on the 2014 Mazda 6, and this will be pretty much the same for any car ever in existence. But of course, this video is specific to the Mazda 6, and this will be the same from 2014 to what was it last year, 2022, I think. So the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is pop the hood, and then on each front strut you're gonna have 3 nuts. Now, if the car is on the ground, this will be no problem because the weight of the car is keeping the strut up. Just take these 3 nuts off. If your car is off the ground, don't do this. Word of the wise. And these are 14mm bolts. So we're gonna take these 3 off, take those 3 off. And now that you got your nuts off, we can install the strut bar. Now, if you order this brand new, the strut mounts and the bolts will not be on, so you have to assemble those yourself. But since I owned this about 4 years ago, sold it, and just bought it back, it's ready to be installed. And if you can't figure this part out on your own, I just kind of don't know what to tell you. So boom, and the strut bar is installed. It looks good under there. Think about installing a front strut bar on your 3rd, 4th gen Mazda 6. Here it is. So it's that simple. I will have a link in the description below to a couple of strut bars on eBay and Amazon, so feel free to click on those and enjoy it. So until next time, think, build, enjoy. Peace.